Welcome back to the Cryptoworld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now we have seen a new Ethereum signal just flash, but in the shorter term, we have a new pattern that Ethereum holders need to be paying attention to. But just before we get into that, here on the daily time frame for Ethereum, currently at the time of recording this video, we are running into the 50% level at around 3,250 approximately. And already over the past 1 to 2 days, we have been finding some short-term resistance along this level so far. So obviously a break up towards around 3.3k would be great to see, and anything above that, I'll be looking towards the golden pocket, which is coming in at around 3,500 to 3.6k. And in the past, Ethereum has found a lot of resistance at around that price range, and also a lot of support at that same price range. So once again, around 3,600 approximately is definitely an important level to watch. But now zooming into the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum, and what we are seeing right here is a bearish divergence, which is basically higher highs in the price action, but lower highs in the RSI. And for any of the beginners out there, a bearish divergence simply means that the buyers are losing momentum in the shorter term. So the most common outcomes from a bearish divergence is either some sideways price action or a slight pullback in the price of Ethereum. Now, if we see the RSI break out to the upside here above this downward sloping line of resistance, then that would basically cancel out this bearish divergence for now. If, of course, we put in a new higher high in the RSI, but if the Ethereum RSI on the 4-hour chart continues in some sort of downtrend here, then that would simply increase our chances of having a short-term cool-off in the price of Ethereum. Once again, either sideways consolidation or a slight pullback. But when you're zooming all the way out to the 4-day time frame for Ethereum, taking a look at the much bigger picture, we have only just seen the parabolic stop and reverse indicator on the 4-day time frame finally flip bullish. Previously, we were looking at this indicator on the 3-day time frame, and you can see that we've already seen 2 green dots here. But on the 3-day time frame, this indicator is slightly more inaccurate, because if you're simply taking a look at what we saw at the end of November, for example, we saw a green dot right there, even though realistically speaking, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator should have stayed in the red that entire time, and that is the case on the 4-day time frame. So basically, looking at this indicator on the 4-day time frame increases our accuracy and increases our chances of entering a new uptrend here, because if you're looking at the last 3 times where this indicator flipped bullish again on this same time frame, all 3 of those times resulted in a lot more bullish price action in the price of Ethereum. Now, it is important to mention that if you're looking on the daily time frame, for example, we haven't technically confirmed a new uptrend just yet, because for us to call this a new uptrend, we need to start forming a new higher high at the very least, and a higher low as well. But even though this technically isn't an uptrend just yet, having signals like this on the chart drastically increase our chances of entering into a new uptrend from here. And by the way, on these larger time frames, like the daily charts, for example, these sort of uptrends and downtrends that we see at the very least last for a few weeks, and honestly, they can last for up to a few months, like what we saw in the recent downtrend. And as you would already know, if you're subscribed to this channel and you've been watching my other Ethereum update videos, the 3-day MACD for Ethereum also backs up this analysis with potentially entering into a new uptrend from here. But it is important to mention that this bullish cross in the 3-day MACD still has not confirmed just yet. In order for us to confirm this bullish cross, we need to see a 3 daily candle close to cement this bullish cross in place. And once again, you can simply take a look at these previous examples where we saw a bullish cross in this indicator in the past. And as we were seeing that happening, we were only just beginning the uptrend in the price of Ethereum. And the exact same thing can also be said for the breakout in the 3-day RSI that we saw a little while ago now. And these type of signals in the RSI and the MACD, for example, are signals that I've been talking about for over a month now on the channel. And now that they are beginning to play out, and now that we're seeing more bullish price action as expected, I just hope a lot of you took advantage of these lower prices like myself. But of course, more opportunities are still on the way. For example, if you're looking at Ethereum valued against Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we are not looking as bullish as what we're looking like in the Ethereum to US dollar chart. And one of the main reasons behind that is because we're finding strong resistance at the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is coming in at around 0.0736 Bitcoin per Ethereum approximately. And so until we start breaking above the 38.2% Fibonacci level, we are looking somewhat bearish here for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. But what is good to see is that we're still finding support along this previous 23.6% Fibonacci level, which is coming in at around 0.07 Bitcoin per Ethereum. So if you're looking at the shorter term price action, we're basically in a consolidation range in between these 2 Fibonacci levels. And then obviously if we break below support, that is bearish, and we could be heading down towards 0.0653 Bitcoin per Ethereum approximately. But then if we break above resistance, obviously that would be bullish for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and in that scenario I'll be looking towards the 50% 15% level, coming in at around 0.0765 Bitcoin per Ethereum. If you found this video useful at all, make sure to leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, you might as well subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, I've got two videos popping up right here on your screen. There's a full trading tutorial video and a passive income video, which are both valid methods to make money in the crypto market, whether or not prices are going up or down. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.